Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. How to add CSS? When a browser reads a style sheet, it will format the HTML document according to the information in the style sheet. There are three ways to insert CSS: external CSS, internal CSS, inline CSS. So first one is the external CSS. When an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Each HTML page must include a reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element inside the head section. For example, external sheets are defined with the link element inside the head section of an HTML page. An external style sheet can be written in any text editor and must be saved with .css extension. The external CSS file should not contain any HTML tags. Here is how the mystyles.css file looks like. Second one is the internal CSS. An internal style sheet may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style. The internal style is defined inside the style element inside the head section. For example, internal style sheets are defined within the style element inside the head section of an HTML page. The third one is the inline style. An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline style, add the style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. For example, inline styles are defined within the style attribute of the relevant element.